At number 3, we have the Samsung Premier. The Premier delivers an impressive home theater experience with its 4K ultra-short throw laser technology, projecting up to a 120-inch screen from just inches away. Its single laser system provides sharp and vibrant images, particularly in dimly lit environments, while covering 83% of the DCI-P3 color gamut for rich color accuracy. With a brightness of 2200 lumens, it performs well in moderately lit rooms, though darker settings enhance its cinematic quality. The built-in 30-watt 2.2-channel speakers offer surprisingly robust sound, eliminating the immediate need for external audio systems. The projector includes Samsung's Tizen OS for seamless access to streaming apps and smart features like Alexa and Bixby voice assistants. Filmmaker mode ensures movies are displayed as intended by directors, enhancing the cinematic feel. Its laser light source boasts a lifespan of 20,000 hours, making it durable and low maintenance. Easy setup and digital keystone correction further solidify its appeal as a premium home theater option.